Hi, I'm Nina from Nina Designs, and I'm going to show you how to use the magical crimp forming tool. Today we'll work with the magical crimping tool. It only works with size 0.19 beading wire and 2mm crimps. Thread your 2mm crimp onto your 0.19 beading wire. Add a clasp, then thread the bead wire back through the crimp bead. Position the crimp bead where you want it, not too close to the clasp, so there's some play, and be very careful that the wires aren't crossed. Next, nestle the crimp as precisely as you can in the middle of the magical crimp making tool and press down firmly. You should have a ravioli shaped impression. Then turn 90 degrees and press again. Then turn 90 degrees and press again, and repeat several times, only opening enough to be able to turn. And there you have it, a bead-shaped crimp. Nice and secure. All you have to do is trim your end, and you're good to go.